Write the expression as a single radical. Let's go ahead and work through this. Solution. So there is a formula. If you have, say, the nth root of, let's say, w to the m, you can write this as w, and it's always m over n. So it's the inside over the outside. So it's m over n. So we're going to use that in this problem here. We just have to realize that there's actually a 1 here on the w. So let's do it in steps. So we have the cube root of, and now let's just focus on this inside piece. So it'll be 1 divided by 4. So it's w to the 1 over 4. Okay? And then now we can do it again. Right? We can use the property one more time. So now it'll be w to the this number over this number. So it's 1 over 4 divided by 3. Right? It's that number over that number. So when you take 1 over 4 and you divide it by 3, you really multiply by the reciprocal of 3. Think of 3 as 3 over 1. So it's really 1 over 4 times 1 over 3, which is easy to see. It's 1 over 12. So this is actually just w to the 1 over 12. So recap, what did we do? So the first step is we realize that this is w to the 1 over 4. So we got here. Then we use the rule again. So it's really w to the 1/4 over 3. So we got here. Then we divided, realizing that division is multiplication by the reciprocal. So now we're not done because we have to go back to the radical form. So if you remember, whenever you have w to the m over n, this number here goes in the little pocket, always, no matter what. So the 12 here is going to go in our little pocket, always. This number always goes there. Then here we have w to the 1. But that's the same thing as the 12th root of w. And that would be the final answer. So we couldn't stop here because the question wanted us to write it as a radical, right? If it didn't say that, we probably would have just stopped here, but we needed to go all the way. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful.